Hello, Shaadoo'tlaa here and Diane. We are here today to show you some stretching of the sea otter hide that has been tagged. And we pre-soaked it for about a half an hour, and we did some pre-stretching. And what this does is it opens up the pores of the dried skin, and it gives it like a rubber band consistency and feel to it. So you want to spend some time just stretching. And the otter tends to stretch at an angle halfway, and then so when we start stapling and stretching, we're going to actually turn the angle of the pool. And you could wet it every once in a while to make sure it stays nice and moist as you open up all of the pores. So already the hide has stretched about 3 inches on each side. And as we're stapling and stretching, we're going to have a long rectangle shape to it. Down here at the corner, I'm a little concerned, but we'll see what happens when we get there. We'll start on this side. You want to give it 3 staples to start off. This is where all of the pressure is going to be pulling, is the corners. So there's your top. And then Diane and I are going to go back and forth from the halfway point and staple each side. And as she staples here, before I staple, I'll pull.
How many?
Maybe 2?
2? It's close.
Mm-hmm. And then I'll hand that over to you. Do you want me to staple as you pull?
Okay. Is that?
Now we're about almost at the halfway point.
Okay, watch your fingers.
You see how that shape is turning into the rectangle. This is where you want to start pulling in this kind of angle.
Okay.
See that corner that I was worried about stretching really nice.
Okay.
The ends tend to be a lot thicker than the middle, so I like to keep that nice and wet. And this is the corners, so I'm going to do 3. Nice. There we've almost doubled the size of the otter that we have to work with for our patterns, and it'll take about 12 to 18 hours for it to dry, and when it does so, it's going to be so nice and thin to be able to sew with, hand sew and work with. Gonna chish Hawa for helping me.